Welcome back to our exploration of AutoCAD layers. In this lab, we're going to learn how to delete an existing layer. So I have created here a new method called delete layer with the same command method. So this is also the same code structure as the previous video to turn on or turn off the layer or freeze or thaw the layer. The only change here is this message to delete the layer, and also this particular comment and the line of code that we're going to add. So the only code that we need to run is the erase method and set it to true, and that's it. One line of code. So but we have to make sure that the current layer is not the layer that we are going to delete or to erase. That's why in here I have set the layer 0 to be the current layer. Then it is the MISC layer that we are interested in deleting or erasing. And then after that, we just commit the transaction, send a message to the user, and that's it. So let us save this project, do a rebuild. Rebuild all succeeded. Now we can load it in our AutoCAD. This is our plugin. So we don't have the layer MISC yet. Let me just create it. Create layer. Now we have here the current layer as MISC. Okay. So after we run our new method to delete the layer, this one will be gone, and the current layer will be the layer 0. Okay. So now let us run our code. Delete layer, and we have here a message: successfully deleted layer MISC. So if we check the layer now, layer MISC is gone, and the layer 0 is the current layer. So that's about it for deleting the layer. It's just this one particular method here, erase, and supply boolean true to delete it. Okay, give it a try and see how it goes. I'll see you in the next video.